What's going on, guys? This is AA Photography and Film, back again with another DJI product. Of course, this is the DJI Osmo Nano. Now, there were so many leaks about this product, and now the wait is finally over. I've finally got it in my hands right now. So this is just a quick unboxing video, guys, so you guys can actually see what's included in this video. Now, I have been waiting to get my hands on this. The delivery man was supposed to come yesterday, but there's been a delay, so it's finally arrived. So guys, let's see what we get in this box here. Now, when you open up a DJI product, it's like being a kid at Christmas, you know. Well, that's how I feel anyway. You know, DJI have been giving us these new products over the last week or two. You probably heard about the new DJI Mini 5 Pro drone as well. That's the only product I haven't got hold of this year, and also the DJI Mic 3s as well. Them two products. But other than that, I've got hold of the Osmo 360 camera by DJI, and now I've got the Nano right now. I mean, the Pocket 3 I've got hold of anyway. So yeah. So anyway, guys, yeah, let's see what we've got in here. So this is some sort of, I think it's some kind of like suction cup. It's a suction amount that you can put in your car. We've got the USB cable here. And we've also got the, I think that's the, I'll just have a look. Just open it. I think that's the cover, yeah. That's the actual cover that comes with the, it comes with the actual, by the way, guys, this is the combo, the, not the combo pack. So the 60, so you can get a 128 version, 128 GB or 64. So I would recommend going for the highest one, which is the 128. Obviously, you get more space in there, more storage. And this, I think this is the thing that you attach to your, you can attach it to your jumper or something. So that's what that is. So some people attach it to their cap, I think. So I think, yeah, that's what that is. I mean, there's very few things. I mean, to be fair, it wasn't even worth doing an unboxing video, but just thought I'd do it anyway, you know. Now, this thing, it does come with a multi-screen thing. So I think the bottom part is called a multi-vision dock, the viewfinder, but we're going to call that a screen just for now in this video because it makes things easier. And we've also got, yeah, that's the magnet thing. So it's like a necklace thing, so you put around your neck. And so the Nano actually holds it magnetically on your jumper. So in case you're doing some kind of POV kind of style shots, if that makes sense. But yeah, like I say, guys, I've been very excited. I mean, to be honest, I wasn't even going to buy this at first. But from what I've seen in people's reviews, it looked very good. So I thought, you know, why not? And here, of course, we have there. That's the multi-vision dock that I was talking about earlier. So that's kind of like a viewfinder thing. So, you know, you can actually mount the camera. The camera itself is magnetic. So anything that's metal, it'll stick on. And the multi-vision dock, you can disconnect that and hold it in your hand. So you can actually use it as a viewfinder, so you can see what you're actually recording. But more about that in the full review. But yeah, this is the main camera itself. I do apologize about the lighting, guys. I know it's a bit dark, but I will go through it in another clip. But yeah, that's the main camera here. Yeah, so I remember it does come with the protective stickers, so just be sure to take that out. And obviously be careful not to touch the actual lens, because you don't want any fingerprints on the, you know, it'll distort the image. So this is the cover, the actual case. I mean, I'm actually impressed with the case itself. You know, it's very it just fits like a glove, just perfect. And it keeps the body of the camera, you know, keeps the body of the camera very protective. And this is the vision dock that you attach. Now you can do it either way, back or front. It doesn't really matter. But like I say, guys, I will be talking more about this when I drop the full review. But yeah, so far, I mean, even though I've not used it yet, I'm actually loving it. I'm loving the feel of this camera, you know, very useful. If you saw, I think it was the DJI Action 2, where you had two mounts and they click on. That's what this is, but they've made an up-to-date version. It's actually similar to the Action 5 Pro camera, kind of same features. It's kind of like that, only with an extra monitor. So yeah, guys, so those are all the things that you get with it, including the USB cable. So now I'm just going to switch it on. And remember, guys, the very first thing that you need to do is, you know, switch it on, set it up. And obviously you need to update the firmware, which is what I'm about to do right now. So always make sure you upgrade the firmware, just so you've got all the latest features. You know, I don't recommend using the Nano without updating first. Otherwise, you're not going to get the latest features and you won't make the most out of the camera. So I'm just going to connect this up with my phone. So yeah, I need to go through the settings and switch the Bluetooth on. So that's what I need to do. So guys, yeah, I'm just going to connect my phone to that now. Now, I know the screen is a bit dark, guys. I do apologize, but like I say, I will be going through this again in my full review video. Yeah, guys, so what I'll do is I'm just gonna quickly skip forward this part of the video, just so I don't keep you waiting. So just bear with me, guys. Okay, guys, thanks for sticking by. Yeah, so I just skipped the video. So you can see I've connected my phone to the Nano, and you can see it's updating the firmware now. So what will happen is it sometimes reboots, it restarts, just so the firmware is actually installed properly. But yeah, so this is the first thing you need to do once you've unboxed the camera. So this is a must, like I say. Otherwise, you won't get the up-to-date features. So you can see the blue circle on the phone is going up there. So it's almost at 73%. So I'm just going to install this first. But yeah, guys, like I say, I'm actually impressed with the camera itself, even though I haven't used it yet. But so far, so good. I'm actually loving this. So you can see it's still installing right now. So once that's finished installing, what will happen is the Nano camera that will start to reboot again. Okay, guys, so you can see I've connected it up. It's all installed, and now you can see on my phone is the viewfinder. So that shows whatever I point my camera to is displaying on the phone. So that shows it's all connected up now. I'm using the latest firmware. I'm now up and running. So I know the screen is a bit dark, but I'm going to show you a better view so that you can see what the Nano looks like. Again, like I said, I will do a proper up-to-date video anyway, so you guys can see. So you can see there it is. This is the Nano itself. So yeah, I'm just trying to shine the light a bit more so you can see. But it doesn't really matter, guys, because like I say, I will be doing a proper video. Hopefully, I'll have a better light set up there. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. I mean, very good camera, very impressed. You know, I mean, like I say, it can do D-Log normal color 10-bit. D-Log as well. So, it's actually quite good. I mean, very handy little feature, especially for making vlogs. It's very useful for that kind of stuff. Now, I know you can do that with the Pocket 3 and stuff, but obviously this one has its own advantages over the Pocket 3. Like, for example, you can disconnect it from the multi-vision dock and you can actually see what you're recording, whereas the Pocket 3, you can't actually do that in the Pocket 3, you see. So there's many like advantages and disadvantages over each camera, But as I say, I will go through this in my full review video. But yeah, guys, let me just get a closer, better view so you guys can see this. So there, yeah, I think now the lighting's a bit better now. So yeah, guys, so this is it. This is the DJI Nano. I'm actually loving it. You can see it's protected with the case here. And there, this is the multi-vision dock. You can see how I've disconnected it and I can still see through the screen there. So it's very useful for making vlogs. But yeah, so far so good. I'm really impressed by this. But anyway, guys, if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video. And make sure to keep a lookout on my full review of the Nano camera. So guys, take care. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.